world. Today we are going to learn about SQL. What it is, we will not go in deep. We'll learn as per the requirement so you can learn basic things in starting. So just to learn anything, we should have basic idea about that. So what is SQL or SQL? We will learn basic things. So let's go ahead and let's see what are the basic points we can cover in this video. So, SQL is a structured query language. It's a standard programming language used to manage and manipulate relational databases. It means like you will be playing with the databases here using SQL queries, and those databases would be relational database. It means it is going to be successful a lot on the relational databases. What are the relational databases? We'll learn in next videos. Next slides. It allows users to query, insert, update, and delete data in databases. Like we have some data and we want to do some queries in that. So SQL queries are going to be run on that data and we can fetch data through those queries. SQL works primarily on relational databases. We say RDBMS, where data is stored in structured tables with rows and columns. So it is very clear the database which is having the data stored in it in terms of the structured tables will run the SQL queries on that, and that database is called relational database. Popular relational databases that use SQL include MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server, or SQLite. So there are so many, but like these are the top five, I would say. So these are the databases. So you should know SQL is coming to be a if someone is asking what is SQL, so SQL is a query language, a structured query language, which is going to be run on the relational database for creating, reading, updating, deleting any kind of thing from that data. So we will fetch out through SQL queries, and that database would be relational database, and it is going to be run on relational database. Those are MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server, or SQLite. And a database management system, a DBMS, is essential for SQL because it provides the framework and tools to manage and organize data in a structured way. Here is how DBMS is useful when working with SQL. So you can say it's a mediator in middle of the database and the SQL. Will be running the queries on that, and then accordingly we'll fetch the data. What is CRUD? CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete. These are the main functions of the SQL, what we do, and then through that, like we'll fetch out anything from the database. Structured query language includes several main commands that allow you to interact with the database. These commands can be grouped into 5 categories. So as I told, we run the queries, so they are divided in DQL, data query language, DDL, data definition language, DML, data manipulation language, DCL, data control language, TCL, transaction control language. So these are the basic things what we should remember every time if someone is asking for SQL. So we'll cover up more points if it would be mandatory or if I would get response from you guys. Stay tuned, try to learn it and try to understand it. Thanks. Please subscribe, please comment, and please let me know if any inputs are there. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.